Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this look inspired by Lady Gaga as Harley Quinn in Joker 2. I love the minimal yet still Harley Quinn look of this makeup. First, I start out by sketching out the kind of triangle shape around the eyes. For this look, she just kept her eyebrows and made the makeup go over it. In the promo pictures, it was hard to tell if on the inner eye side it went all the way down to the lid, but I decided to let it connect to the bottom. Once I had the shape I wanted, I went and kind of filled in more with the black eyeliner and made the lines thicker. Next, I go over that with an angled brush and black eyeshadow. Then on the top triangle corner, I start filling in with more black and fading it downwards. Then I use a fluffier brush to blend it out. Along the lids, it looks like she has a little bit of eyeliner that connects with the outer triangle. So I'm creating a thin line of eyeliner with the eyeshadow. And sort of creating a wing towards the outside that's going to connect with the outer triangle. Then I'm filling in that outer triangle with black. Then using a fluffy brush to blend it out. For the bottom triangle, I'm trying to make the peak match the one on top and creating it into a triangle-like shape. The bottom half of the makeup looks a lot more messy, so I'm doing a lot of blending on the bottom eyeshadow. Then I'm adding a little bit of mascara to the top lashes. It doesn't look like she's wearing any false lashes. Then I'm adding a little bit of reddish orange lipstick and kind of putting it on haphazardly. And that completes our Lady Gaga version of Harley Quinn. I'm really excited to see the movie. Let me know what you guys think of this version of Harley Quinn's makeup look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.